1 sec, 1 minute, 1 sec, 1 minute, 1 sec, 1 minute.
Good evening and welcome to the Fusar tonight. Breaking news for the day. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt have split. Really tragic circumstances in which this thing happened. In other news, Nawaz Sharif's speech in Unga. लेकिन उनका कौन सुनने वाला है? Anyway, let's come to the real news of the day. The Brangelina split. What were the reasons for the split behind these two? What happened between Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie? Who's responsible? Is Donald Trump the real reason behind the split? Or is it the Pakistan government? What's happening over here? Various reasons have been given up for the split. But joining me in this discussion is a very close family friend of Brangelina, all the way from Houston, Mr. Joby. Hello, Mr. Joby.
Hello.
Oh, okay, so thank you. Mrs. Day, hi, Shobha.
Hi Arnab.
Mr. Nawaz Sharif.
अरे बड़े भैया कैसे हो बड़े भैया?
Universal Nari Bachao Movement. Hello, Mrs. Tiwari. And last but not the least, Mr. Russell Brand. Hello, Russell.
Yeah, good evening.
Arnab,
Oh, 1 minute, madam. 1 minute. आपके पास हम आएंगे. We'll come to you. But let me first take this question across to Mr. Joby from Houston. What happened, Mr. Joby? Why was Angie upset? Why did she decide to split with Brad? The nation needs to know right now. People of India need to know.
Actually, Arnab, there was a little misunderstanding.
One second, sir. Was it because of Marion Cotillard? It's clearly written on this piece of paper, sir.
No, let me speak, Arnab.
Go ahead, sir.
അതെന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ബ്രാഡിന് ജോലി കിട്ടിയപ്പോളേ.
One second. Sir, are you Malayali? You're talking Malayalam? പക്ഷെ സാരില്ല എനിക്ക് മലയാളം മനസ്സിലാവുണ്ട്. Carry on, Mr. Joby.
We were all happy. തറവാട്ടിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ കുട്ടിയാണ് ജോലി കിട്ടിയിട്ട് എന്നിട്ട് ഈ ബ്രാഡ് കുട്ടൻ വന്നിട്ട് എന്നെ കെട്ടി അങ്ങോട്ട് പിടിച്ചു അറിയോ?
Sir, 1 second. You mean to say Brad Pitt is a Malayali? For those who do not understand this, please follow the link below right now. Get more of sub Malayalis hai. Let me get into this discussion with Russell Brand. Russell, what are your views on the split?
Yeah, Arnie. So, you see, it's really sad that, Angelina and Brad split.
One second, sir. Let's come to the point. Is it true that Brad muttered the name of Gwyneth Paltrow in his sleep? It's all yours, sir.
You see, that's a personal matter, and I mean, I wouldn't know, so...
How can you deny that, sir? How is it personal? These two people are breaking up and you're calling it personal. What's happening tonight? We need answers tonight. The people of India need answers tonight. India needs an answer tonight.
You see, I get that, but why would India need to know about the Brangelina situation?
1 second, Mr. Brand. They need to know because I need to know. And you're on a need-to-know basis. Therefore, you need not know. But isn't it true that Brad chose friends over family, sir?
He probably meant to say goodnight, but Gwyneth came out of his mouth. See, it's a simple misunderstanding.
How is it possible, sir? How is it even possible?
So basically it's very possible that the night before he went out and hit the sauce pretty bad. So he must have come home and, really tanked up on the booze and must have just tried to say goodnight to his wife, but this happened. Gwyneth.
Okay, got
See
it,
that?
sir.
It's coming out as Gwyneth, but it's actually a simple goodnight. So it came out like Gwyneth. Gwyneth.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah, I mean, we're all inglorious bastards at some point or the other in our lives.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your explanation. Mrs. Tiwari of Nari Bachao Movement. Yes, Mrs. Tiwari.
अर्नब, हमने FIR दर्ज किया है ब्रैड के खिलाफ. हम उसे बचने नहीं देंगे. ब्रैड पिट, हाय. ब्रैड पिट, हाय.
हाय मैडम, आपको भी हाय. मैडम, क्या आप जानती है कि ब्रैड किधर रहता है?
सर, ब्रैड पिट का घर हमें गूगल से मिल जाएगा.
आप वहां तक जाएंगे कैसे? कैसे पहुंचेंगे वहां तक?
हमने एंजेलिना को एक प्रस्ताव भेजा है कि हम उसके घर पे आकर लोगों के साथ ब्रैड पिट के घर के सामने भूख हड़ताल करेंगे.
दिस इज रिडिकुलस. लेकिन आपका ऐसा करने से क्या होगा?
अंजलि जोली.
मैडम, एंजेलिना जोली.
हाँ, जो भी हो.
हेलो, मैं इधर हूँ.
नॉट यू, सर. यस मैडम, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
वैसे भी अंजलि इतनी दुबली पतली है कि उसे देखकर लगता है कि वो भूख हड़ताल पर है, और हमें देखकर उसे ऐसा लगेगा कि हम उसका साथ दे रहे हैं.
Okay, over to Shobha. Shobha, yes, come in. What are your views on this?
Arnab, yesterday at the Mithil party, do you know what happened?
Shobha, we are not interested in your nightlife, please.
Arnab, don't be rude and let me speak, okay?
Shobha, please do not indulge in this petty name calling. Tell us why and how and what happened to Brangelina.
As I was saying, we were discussing this over a glass of champagne that Brad had to stop his flirtatious behavior.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, clearly, Shobha thinks that this breakup happened because of Brad's flirtatious behavior.
Arnab, I did not say that.
Madam, you said what you had to say and it has been captured on camera. The whole of India has been watching you. So the people of India know what you exactly said. And now joining me all the way from Pakistan, Mr. Nawaz Sharif. Mr. Sharif, yes. What are your views on this?
अरे बड़े भैया कैसे हो भैया?
Who are you, sir? I was patching up with Mr. Nawaz Sharif.
अरे भैया इरफान बोल रहा हूँ दिस साइड हेलो.
Arey, bade bhaiya. Nice to see you. Nice to have you on our show, sir. All the way from Bollywood.
अरे बॉलीवुड ने भैया मैं शिफ्ट हो गया हूँ मतलब हॉलीवुड चला गया हूँ.
So what are your views on this?
अर्नब लेट मी टेल यू कि आई एम इन LA. एक स्टोरी की नरेशन है मतलब मैं अगली जो फिल्म आ रही है तो वहाँ पर जो हल्क जो फिल्म है उस हल्क 4 उसमें हूँ मैं और मैं यहाँ पे ब्रैड से मिला.
Hulk, are you playing a villain in this?
अरे नहीं यार भैया मैं हल्क का रोल कर रहा हूँ. प्लीज लेट मी कंप्लीट यार अर्नब डोंट बी अ हल्कट यार.
Okay, sir. Go on, sir. Unbelievable, but please go
हाँ
on.
तो मैं कह रहा था कि ब्रैड टोल मी कि एंजी इज नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हरसेल्फ. मतलब वो पता नहीं सिगरेट पी रही है क्या पी रही है लेकिन दारू भी पी रही है साथ में शराब. गलत बात है ना यार.
Come on. Please stop it right now. This is just like washing dirty linen in public, and you're washing Brad Pitt's linen in public right now.
हाँ लेकिन ठीक है आई फील कि बोथ ऑफ देम शुड टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम ईच अदर और एक छोटा रिचार्ज करके वापस से उनको पैचअप कर लेना चाहिए. समझ रहे हो ना?
A fantastic, wonderful discussion over here. Now, last few words from all our panelists. Mr. Joby, 30 seconds.
അതെ തുടക്കം എപ്പോഴും മാംഗല്യാണ് പിന്നെയാണ് തന്തുനാനേന. അത് എന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ അന്ന് തന്നെ ചെയ്യണം അല്ലെങ്കിലേ പണി കിട്ടും. इसका मतलब है आज का काम आज करो नहीं तो बाद में पछताया जाएगा.
വളരെ നന്നായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് സാറേ. Shobha,
Arnab, when I go to LA next week.
next. Come in, Russell. Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, Arnie, I can hear you.
Arnab.
Oh yeah, whatever. So, you know what I would say is just say no to drugs, be cool, don't get mad, and just say sorry to your wife.
What do you mean say sorry to my wife?
And not your wife.
Whose wife?
Brad's wife, you little twat.
Okay. Let's hear the last few words from Mrs. Tiwari. Mrs. Tiwari, please come in.
जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा एंजिला हम तेरे साथ रहेगा. ब्रैड पिट हाय हाय. ब्रैड पिट हाय हाय. ब्रैड पिट हाय हाय.
Hi to all of you all. Thank you so much, Mrs. Tiwari. Last one to Irfan Khan. Irfan, what are your views on this?
अरे भैया मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि जब तक मोबाइल में रिचार्ज नहीं रहेगा और रिलेशनशिप में भरोसा नहीं रहेगा तब तक लोग गेम खेलते रहेंगे.
Thank you so much for joining me, all of you all. Clearly, it's heartbreaking as to why Angelina and Brad Pitt, split. But who cares? They have enough money to look after themselves for eons. Till then, मजबूरी का धन कंधे पे, चलो धंधे पे. Good night, Shabba Khair, and thank you for joining me.
എന്നാ ശരി എന്നാ അർണബ് അങ്കിൾ.
Okay, uncle तेरा बाप.
अरे कभी LA आओ यार अर्नब.
Of course, आप टिकट भेजे मैं आ जाता हूँ वहाँ पे.
Oh, Irfan, I'm gonna be coming to LA next week, so I'll catch up with you over there.
अरे शोभा तुझे किसने बुलाया? अरे शोभा तू क्यों आएगी LA?
Sir, it's over, sir. It's all over. Thank you so much.